that were gathered. A large stone like this was once used to grind up food to various consistencies, whether it be beans, dried meat, and the women were in charge of providing their families with a diet high in protein, high in fiber, making us a more leaner, more fit people, free from diabetes, free from heart diseases. We, as Native American people, suffer the most from today. As I sing my song in Mojave, keep in mind the diet of long ago can still be done today in exercise and healthy food choices. Yeah.